This is what I call velociraptor. You see, Chris, how she... Hey! Chris, stop it. See, everyone is on me. Sorry, I'm a bit mess. Eh? What? What happened? Okay. Okay, Chris, continue. Okay. She's understand. See? Chris, why did you do that? Huh? Ariel, how are you? Happy bird. Happy bird. Hello. And you know, I already give them a breakfast today, but boys are boys. Ariel, Budin ba? Come on, hey, come on, come, Budin, stop it. Oh, good boy. See, this is my two my two velociraptors. See, okay, there is Ariel, Ginny, Ariel. See. See? Oh my. Okay, Budin, stop it. Done. Ginny, see? Chris, why do you do that? Oh my God, my boys. Ginny, any taking attention? Boy, Ariel, oh my God. They love, my hand is full, and that is Budin.